Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a short video on batch processing in Adobe Audition. This one little thing will save you a lot of time in your editing process for voiceover. So if you're interested, stick around. So, as always, as you guys know, when anyone sends me a comment or a question about something specifically about voiceover or Adobe Audition, I will try my best to answer it or create a video for you to the best of my ability. So, this is actually something that I had just learned. Someone had asked me if I could do a video on batch processing, and personally, I didn't use it myself. But just by looking into it, it does save a lot of time, especially if you have a lot of split files, like for e-learning or an audiobook, for instance. Personally, when I record and edit when I have an e-learning project to deliver, I record it all on one track and then process the entire thing and then split it into separate files and then deliver it. But this is another way to do it if it's a very large file or a very large project and you can't record it all at one time. So my street is very busy today. I get a lot of noise outside, so I apologize if you can hear it, if the mic's picking it up. But this would be another great way to process all of the files so they sound fairly uniform. So let's check it out. So here are a few files from a recent e-learning project that I just had delivered to the client. Um, so again, if this is a very large project and you cannot record it all at once, process it, then split it and deliver it, and you needed to record these at different times so you could not process them all at once, or if you're the kind of person who likes to record each file separately, this is the way that you can process all of these files at the same time and save yourself time. So let's check this out. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is go to batch process. And again, if this isn't here, go up to or if this option for batch process isn't in your window pane here, go to window and just select it up here. You can select any of these to add that pane to your workspace so you can use it. But batch process is there. So I'm going to drag these files down to batch process. And then I'm going to select my favorite. Now, in another video, I showed you how to create a new favorite preset, which will process your rack preset along with any other effects or any other parts of your chain that you normally do with each audio file. And we created this new favorite for 11.9. So I'm going to select that favorite and then I'm just going to run it. Now, all of those files will be processed all at the same time with that one favorite. So no longer do you need to go through each file, file by file by file, and add your EQ, remove your background noise, remove your mouth clicks, all of this stuff that you do for each file. Once you have that preset or that favorite recorded, you throw them all into batch process, select which favorite you want to use, and then hit run. And then they're all done all at the same time. So that will save you a lot of time, considering if you have like a very large audiobook, or e-learning or whatever it is where you have multiple files and they all want to be, or you want them to all sound uniform, then this would save you a ton of time. And it's just, you see, that only took a couple of minutes. See, now my video is going to be like super short, but you get the idea. Super easy to do. And if you missed the video on how to record this favorite or this preset, then I will add the video at the end of this video as the next recommended so you can catch up and uh, learn how to record a new favorite in your own Adobe Rack. So that is it for this video. It was super short. Thank you so much for joining me on this video today. If you have any comments or questions about anything voiceover, Adobe Audition related, I will do my best to answer it for you or create a video for you. As always, I love hearing from you guys. I love hearing about your journeys in this industry. Throw me a like, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.